today's 5-minute fix, we will be showing a little love to the ceiling fan right above my head. We will be cleaning the fan blades as well as the globe fixture that is around the light. Now for tools that we will be using, I do have a bowl full of slightly soapy water, maybe a teaspoon of soap in a decent sized bowl full of warm water. I have a rag in there as well, and we will be using that to clean the globe fixture. I also have a small step stool that I will be using to reach the ceiling light. And then I have a pillowcase, and I'll be using this to clean the fan blades. So with that, let's get up to that fan. Before I actually remove the globe fixture, I wanted to show you the screws that I will be loosening to take the fixture down. And they are right here. There's a second one right here. And then there's a third one on the back side. So I will be holding on to the fixture as I carefully loosen those. Okay, we've successfully removed the globe fixture, and I don't know if you can see that on the bottom. That is all dead bugs on the inside that we are going to remove. So I am going to take my warm water here with my rag and wring it out pretty well. And I'm just going to clean it inside and out. I'm going to start with the outside because that's the cleanest. Oh my gosh, is this dusty? That looks pretty good. I do have a towel here. I'm going to quickly dry it just to make sure everything is clean and all of the bugs and dirt has been removed. Okay, that looks a lot better, certainly a lot cleaner than it was. So that part is done. Now I'm going to set this aside and we are going to go back up to the fan to work on those blades. Now, what I've done with this pillowcase is I dampened it in the same water I was just using to clean the globe fixture, and I wrung it out well. I don't want a lot of moisture on the pillowcase, just enough to make it damp. So then all we do is we open it up and we slip it over the blade, and I start massaging the blade carefully because I'm trying to clean both sides of the blade, the top side and the bottom side. Okay. And then I hold my hands against the pillowcase and the blade as I move it out. And you do want to pay attention to the edges of the blade here. They get surprisingly dirty, and that's because as the blades are spinning through the air, that leading edge is going to catch the dirt. So I will keep doing this and I'll be back with you with the final results. And here is our final result. Well, I hope you liked that quick 5-minute fix. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll link another one here for you to take a look at in case you have another 5 minutes to spare. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you on our next adventure.